hearing Dorothy sing. Well, that took a little bit. But Elmo wants to learn more about quartet. But Elmo wanted to know, how can Elmo do that? Who could that be? Hi, Elmo. Oh, hello, Harry. You know the Quartet brothers are going to make sure everything is going to be good. Do you know what we do with the quartet? Elmo does. And so does Dorothy. Well, Elmo, let's set up the Quartet Brothers Thanksgiving dinner! Oh, come on, everybody! Oh, you're coming along, Dorothy! All right, Dorothy, in you go! Wow! Hey, Elmo, I saw you like the shows Flip the Frog, Felix the Cat! Thank you, Kill Kids! Ooh, hey, Elmo! Elmo! Oh, I have so much fun having you think that your toaster made. Really? Yeah. Thank you, Rat Mouse. What happened here? Everybody sit out. Now, I'll let you introduce to your families and friends. That's great. It said stick together. Quartet Brothers, sound off. Yay! Oh, thanks, everybody! Elmo wanted to wish a Quartet Brothers Thanksgiving Day. Oh, Elmo will take Dorothy. Bye, Elmo. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Elmo. That was a fun ride, Dorothy. Wow. Every time the quartet can join them. Elmo wants to learn more about quartet. Well, why would he learn more? Oh, yeah. We can watch the Quartet channel. Turn yourself on, TV. Thank you, TV. Welcome to the Quartet channel.